All right. This is a scary title if I ever saw one. You have lots of big words, relative frequencies, contingency table, and if that wasn't enough, they put a colon and say advanced. It's really not that bad. So um, we've seen two-way tables before here where they really like that male-female division for some reason, not sure why. And then they've divided them into majors. Now we're also assuming that these students cannot be double majoring in these subjects. They really should tell us that they don't. I mean, you could say 388 students and add these up, and I'm assuming they add up to 388. But that's a key element here, that each student can only appear in exactly one cell. So what are we trying to find? We're trying to find the relative frequency of those who, among the female students, the relative frequency of those who happen to major in business. So as soon as we say among the female students, that means for this question, the males are gone. We're not, you can cross them out if you want. It's like they were never there, and subtract however many there are from the 388, they're gone. So among the female, we're only looking at the top row. We want the relative frequency of those who happen to major in business. Well, that's these 36 right here. So what portion of the females is that? Well, that would be 36 divided by this number. So let's take this, and if this looks familiar, it should. I'll talk about that in just a second. So we're going to take 25 plus 36 plus 31 plus 41 plus 43, and that gives us 0.20. Now, before I check this, very important part, this should look a little like conditional probability, right? This is exactly conditional probability. This would be conditional probability of those who major in business, given that they're female. What's the probability that a randomly chosen student will major in business, given that they're a female? That's the exact same calculation as what we just did. It's just another way of framing it. We're narrowing the scope to the females and then doing the business divided by the total number of females. So let's check that. Yes.